Hello guys, in this video I am discussing a DSA question. The name of question is Anagram Detector. So you can see here the question. I am reading the description of this question. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. For example, the word anagram. Okay, anagram can be rearranged into a anagram. So given two phrases, write a program that detects if both are anagrams of each other. If both are anagrams, then print true, otherwise print false. So guys, what is anagram? So anagram is the string. These are the they are two strings. They contain the same characters, and like you can see here, the A is coming three times in this, and also A is coming one, two, three times here. G one time, and G also come at one time, and after that R is come at one time, and R is also here one time, and then M and N also one time. So this the whole strings anagram and this string are combination of the same characters, but the in a different manner. They are arranged in the different manner. So these type of strings are called anagram strings. So our duty is to detect that the both strings are anagram or not. So you can see here guys, this is the combination of without any spaces. They are combination of character without any spaces, but in this you can see here there are two spaces present. So our duty is for this question, first of all, we remove this type of space. If the first string containing the space, then we are removing from the first string, and if the second string containing the spaces, then we are removing from the second string. And after that, we are converting these strings to the character array, and then we are sorting. Then after it, we are comparing that both are equal or not. So how we can do this? Come on the code on this question, then we learn about how we can write code. So just a second guys, I'm opening this code. So I am starting from the main method. So there are two strings, like first is anagram. So sorry for the handwriting. Anagram, and the second sentence containing some two spaces that I shown to you. So guys, this is also anagram, but there are two spaces are present in this. Okay, so I am taking scanner class object for the input taking. After that, there are string one. So string one is the string. I am taking the the result of this string in str1. So sc dot next line, I am taking this line input. After that, I am taking the str2 for the storing this space containing string result. Okay, so I am storing in str2. So there are both strings are storing in the str1 and str2. After that guys, I am simply convert the both string into the char array. So the name of the character array is first and second. So first of all, I am doing one thing here. I am the string containing the string contains a method. The name of method is replace all. So we can use this method for the replacing of the some targeted element. So like I am targeting here, this is the symbol of the space slash s. So I am replacing the slash with the without space. You can see here there are string present without spaces. So I am removing the space with without space. Okay, after the removing, I am converting it into the to char array, dot to char array. This to char array method converts the string to the character array. So guys, you can see here, I am simply convert string one. I am simply replace the string one and string twos. These both lines are equal, first and second. I am handling the both strings here, and I am removing the spaces between the strings with without space. Okay, and after that I am converting it into the 2 char array. If I am not replacing the space, then the char array is also containing some spaces. So this is the not anagram, because the upper string is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 character, but the second string is containing the 9 character, because two spaces present in the second char array, and it can give the exception also because the space is not type of character, I think. So after that you can see here I am replacing then converting into the 2 char array. Then I am simply sorting them both first and second. So this is the fully class qualified name of array.sort, java.util.arrays.sort. I am sorting first and then I am sorting the second. After that I am simply compare that there are, this is also the fully qualified name java.util.arrays dot equals method, arrays dot equals method. I am I am passing the two parameters here like first and second. I am passing both. If they are equals, then it gives the true value, and otherwise it gives the false. If they are equal, then I am simply print true, otherwise I am print false. So this is all about the code. Code is so simple. So thank you so much. If you understand this question, and you if you have any doubt, then you can ask in the comments, and you have any doubt, then you can also ask in the comments. So thank you so much, guys.